Assalamualaikum and hi! In this video, we will guide you guys on how to use OPAC.
Introduction of Perpustakaan Tun Abdul Razak. The library was first set up in 1960 under the Rural and Industrial Development Authority in Petaling Jaya. In 1972, a new main library building was completed in Shah Alam and named Perpustakaan Tun Abdul Razak I. By now, Blitar University Technology Mara has more than 38 branches in the Malaysia. What is OPAC? OPAC, also known as Online Public Access Catalog, is an online database that provides access and location to the library collection. OPAC was established in year 1990s. OPAC takes the bibliographic data from library server through the WILS. WIL is known as Web-Based Integrated Library Management System that enables the user to make online renewal, interlibrary loan, online book recommendation, and many more. Blitar use Web OPAC to interact with the library user. They can directly communicate with the librarian via chat. How to access to the OPAC? The user can access the OPAC via the link provided. Click Enter and click UiTM Library OPAC. And this is the login page for the OPAC. If you are student or staff, you should enter your user ID and enter the password by using your identification card number and click submit, or you can also continue as a guest. This is the interface for Web OPAC.
What is basic search? Do you know how to conduct search in Web OPAC? Web OPAC has provided OPAC search via basic search, advanced search, and additional search. Besides, it also provides user with informational button search such as browse, journals, ISBN search, accession search, and my account. How to conduct Web OPAC for basic search? Firstly, the user needs to enter the keyword for the material, for example, information. The user also can use other information by click the button provided in the basic search such as database name. Click Go. After that, the user will be able to see the result of the search. They can see the total of the material from book, articles, e-books, and journals. Then click the book to see the list of books from the search. Choose one book from the list to see the detailed information of the book. For example, I choose. As you can see, this is the detailed information of the book. This information can help the user to find the location of the book in the library. The user can copy the call number, which is this one, to find the location of the books in the shelf. The users also can check the status of the material, location, and category of book. That's all for basic search.
How to conduct Web OPAC for advanced search? Firstly, the user needs to enter the keyword for material, for example, information. Click OR. For the second keyword, science, the users also can add information by click the button provided in the advanced search, such as filter site. Then click Go. After that, the user will able to see the result of the search. They can see total of the material from books, articles, ebooks, and journals.
Last is additional search. First, click additional search. Then you can see author, title, subject, any field, and many more. The author that I choose is A. Sama Said. Then click Go. This is result for the A. Sama Said. There are 5 books, 0 article, 0 ebook, and 0 journal.
What is My Library account? It allows the library user to see what item that they have on loan and the due date. Then it also enabling the user to check the fines, renew item, request for interlibrary loan, save preferred searches, view for book recommendation that only can be done for the administrative staff, and request for articles via library web OPAC. After you log into the web OPAC, click to My Account button and you will see your My Account page. In My Account page, it will contain your library account information. This is the other function of web OPAC besides used for searching the library collection. Item Checkout. The library user can view their on loan item in their library account. It will show the info of the item with the due date of loan. Web OPAC also allows the users to reserve for the item that they want to use in the future. The user also can view the previous search from the history. Web OPAC also enables the user to make a recommendation for books and serial, but this recommendation only can be done by the UITM staff and the lecturer. Besides that, the Web OPAC also allows users view for their fine for overdue item and they must pay the fines at library circulation counter. The user also can change their password at any time for the security access. Web OPAC also enables the user to make a donation. If the user have books to donate to the library, they can fill in the donation item information and click Donate. Please contact Gift and Exchange Unit of PITAR for further detail. Next is the search history. Search history is a previous search that the user have been saved for future reference. The user also enables to request for interlibrary loans. And lastly is login history. User also can view login IP, date, time, logout time, and status of history for their web OPAC account. After login to the web OPAC, click the button My Account. Then click Item Checkout to view on loan item. Click Renew to renew book on loan. Then it will show you the renewal process. Click OK. The library user cannot renew the item if it being requested by other user. They also cannot renew if they have fine in their library account. The library user also cannot renew if it was being borrowed for maximum long period.
For online reservation, enter your keyword search. Then select books from database, click Go. Search result will appear on the screen. The book detail will be displayed. It will show where the book and the status must be issued to make a reservation, then click Reserve button. And it will appear Reserve process. Click OK. User can check the book that been reserved in My Account by click Reserve. For this reserve, it's to check the list of reservation. The due date info is to inform due date of patron that borrowed the book. User can click cancel to cancel reservation.
After you log into the web OPAC, you should click to the My account, and this is the interface for UITM staff account in OPAC. After that, you click to the recommendation, and you will see the two options for recommendation, which is books and serial. Then you should enter the ISBN or ISN or the title in the box provided. After that, you should click for the check for duplicate. After you check for duplicate, the system will automatically fill in the information of the item in the box provided. If there are no information provided by the system, the user should manually put all the information in the space provided, such as ISBN, title, author, publisher, year, price, number of copies, program, interest, and the institution. After that, the user should click the process, and request process and request number will be shown. Then the user should click OK. If the result for the item is duplicate, and the screen will be shown like this. The user can click for the availability to check for number of copies for the item. Then it will show the accession number for the item. If the user want to add more numbers of copies for the item, then they should click the process. After that, they should add number of the copies that they want. After that, they should click the process for one more time, and the request process and request number will be shown again, and then click OK. Click List Request to see the list of recommendation and the status of the recommendation. Okay, lastly, this is the result for the list of recommendation and the status of the recommendation that the users want to recommend for the people.
After login, go to my account, then click Interlibrary Loan. Next, click Add Request. Select location of item from listing provided from lending library. For example, Perpustakaan UiTM Kampus Jasin. And fill the title of item and the author. Select types of books, then choose the location, which UiTM to collect the item. After that, read application declaration, click submit. It shows that the item in a request status. If the material are not claimed by user, the reservation will be cancelled. That's all for interlibrary loan.
That's all for this video. I hope it able for you guys to follow every step and manage to use OPAC.